Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you all a soft makeup look with hints of pink. So I've already prepped my skin and I'm using here Rose Water by Kama Ayurveda. After which I am using MAC foundation, which is a very light foundation. It does not have a full coverage. Here I'm using a soft one with low coverage because this is a daily wear look. So I'm going to apply this and dab it all over my face. Next, here I'm using a Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. This is going to hide all my imperfections and brighten up my skin. To avoid foundation creasing, here I am setting my face and my eyelids with loose powder. Here I have picked up soft matte pink color for my eyelids. First of all, I'm going to apply this on my crease and slowly I'm going to build this color all over my eyelid. Next, here I have picked up shimmer pink color from my palette. I'm applying this all over my lid below the crease line. I've repeated the same step and completed the second eye look. Next, here I'm applying Lakme Kajal only on my waterline. And with Lakme Iconic Mascara, I'm gonna open my eyes because it makes a hell lot of difference to your eyes. Next, here I'm using a soft pink lipstick shade for my lips, and I'm going to use a brush to apply this so that it is applied very evenly all over the lips and also on the inner side of the lips. So this completes my everyday simple look with a hint of pink. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and do comment below, and I shall see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.